How to add users to BuddyPress Groups in bulk. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you the how to add users to BuddyPress Groups in bulk. It will save your times and energy a lot. You can have this feature with only few simple steps. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Create a new PHP file and name it bp-custom.php. If you already have it, no need to create a new one. Just open it. Next step, please copy a snippet from our GitHub. You can see and click the URL on the description of this video. Paste the copied snippet to the file, and then save it. And let's see the result. On the user's page dashboard, admin can see Add to Group action. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.